How to send snap from camera roll as a normal snap without filter. Let's get started. So first of all, make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Open up the App Store. In the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for Snapchat. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap onto it. And if you find any update button, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once done, head over. Log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on memories right over here, and then make sure you're inside camera roll. Now select the photo you want to send, and when the photo opens up, you don't want to add any filter, lenses or effect. You want to go ahead and simply tap on send to right over here, and then choose a friend you want to send to and then tap on send. Your photo will now be shared directly from your camera roll without any Snapchat filters applied. Keep in mind, Snapchat may still label it as a photo from memories instead of a live snap. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.